that's it. Thank you, Shiba Park Hotel.
Thank you
very much. I left Shiba Park for the last time. The security of a bed and a roof in the past as I went below ground to head to bustling Shinagawa station. It's like running across the motorway. Every time I think it's quieting me down, a couple trains arrive and it's nope, too bad. After retrieving my luggage and passing flawlessly through the next set of ticket gates, I headed downstairs for my first experience on the bullet train. I boarded at the wrong end of the car on purpose and found my seat. So, I need to board an orange OH Hakone-Yumoto Railway. Sumimasen. Oh, arigato. What a ball ache. Every day in Japan is leg day. The Tozan Railway wound leisurely through the small towns of the Kanagawa prefecture. I arrived 20 or so minutes later in Hakone-Yumoto station, where for 2,500 yen I could make use of a bag forwarding service. So I haven't had much luck with these today. Please. Oh, it works. Perfect. And breathe. We are currently here, Hakone-Yumoto. What I want to do is get to the ropeway, Gora station. Between Hakone-Yumoto and Gora was a scenic stretch of rail climbing steadily into more mountainous terrain. There we go, we've arrived in Gora. Oh, this is such a cute little town, dude. I like this, this is cozy. One thing I noticed while we was coming in here was it smelled like sulphur, and I thought, oh, there's a septic tank cracked open. But then the smell never went away, and I was like, oh, it must be because we're near the sort of sulphur things and it's kind of drifting down from the hill. I pushed on ahead and upwards, riding the cable car its entire 1.2 kilometre distance to the ropeway station 214 metres above. Always good to know that the air up there is poison. Oh, it's fast. There's all like stairs and stuff going around. Do you think it's like a mine? Steam, dude. Must be what the oxygen's for, in case there's a leak. I stepped off the gondola ungassed and outside into air as fresh as you could hope for atop a sulphur-spewing volcano. If the volcano erupts, run indoors. This seems like a very precarious tourist attraction. It's cool though. The colour's cool. It's that sulphur in it. That's what does the yellow. Black eggs are being sold in the store. Why not? Why not? Black curry chips? Bro, they're really going hardcore on the whole volcanoes turning shit black. You're gonna have to break a 5. The western ropeway took me back down the mountain to the shores of Lake Ashi, where a fantastic looking ship arrived to take me across the water to my hotel. Man's drifting it. Is he actually gonna spin it in backwards? That's actually wicked. The way he just like kicked it round, it's so agile. All the cool kids always sit at the back. The voyage took a little under half an hour and I disembarked no more than 100 metres from my next hotel. The road has just got white bits of stone in it. I preloaded some Japanese so the doorman would know I was legit. Konnichiwa. 予約があります。予約があります。はい、かしこまりました。こちらへどうぞ。箱根ホテルですね。Pardon? Sorry? Oh yeah, look, my suitcase, there it is. The view is good. Look out there. Oh, the polar ice is messing with the window. I take it they're hard-boiled. This is the traditional Japanese method. There we go. One Owakudani, a hard-boiled egg boiled in sulfuric water. There is no effect to the flavour that I can notice. I thought it might taste a little bit like extra salty. I don't know why I would expect sulphur to be a bit salty, but that's just what I was expecting. It is just an egg. What I will say, I know I didn't have much faith in the Hakone free pass earlier on in the day, but number one, it's value for money. Number two, it simplifies everything. Every ticket gate you go to, you just see the guy and you go, huh? And they go, oh yeah, go on through. It might have gotten me through more, but at the very least, it got me up the cable car, the ropeway, and the boat. So for 5,000 yen, I would say that's absolutely worth it. Like a bear preparing for hibernation, I ventured out into the wild to receive sustenance from the ever-benevolent Kombini. £5 for what looks like 4 strawberries. I had this on my map as best view of Fuji, right? I'll see if there's an image that I can get off the internet of this particular viewpoint with Mount Fuji when the weather's clear. A quick walk up and down Moto Hakone's high street was all I was allowed before the rain sent me back home. Chucking it down, bro. But not before treating me to some fantastic ambience. Getting all foggy and spooky and the lights have come on. Very, very cozy. Friday morning. I haven't actually looked at the side yet. Oh look, there's the boat. The bus I'm catching takes about an hour to get to Odawara Station. It's got there. The bus drove steadily through winding roads, passing numerous quaint villages as you can see in this incredible time-lapse footage, before terminating exactly where I needed to be. I would say that was painless, but it wasn't exactly painless. Finally, it feels like back in civilization, you know what I mean? I wanted to film a Shinkansen going through the station because they don't slow down. They blast through the station at like 150 miles an hour. Like, it's crazy. Oh, hang on, here we go. Look at this. That is nutty. When you ride in a Shinkansen, the only indication of your speed comes from the houses and streets whipping by the window, or if you check your phone's map. They glide over the rails as if you were in a Benz driving on fresh tarmac. Just look at how this precariously stowed luggage doesn't fall. As we arrived at the station, I witnessed firsthand Japan's legendary punctuality. We are just pulling into Himeji Station. The train was due to arrive here at 33 past 2. Can't go wrong with that. As soon as you walk outside the castle, right there, dude. You know what's cool? We should see the castle as soon as you come out the station, like off in the distance. But when you're walking towards it, they're all like trees and stuff down the road, so it's obscured. I wonder if they've done that intentionally. There we go. I think we're coming up to the shop. Oh yeah, that'll about do then. Spot on, isn't it? I did say I wanted to get a picture of cherry blossom in the foreground with the castle in the back. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that's the one, I think. Very nice. I would like to get a meal because I'm feeling like actually hungry. English, please. Comes with free. I'm guessing this is miso soup. Oh, it's nice. Is going to Matsuya cheating? I don't think so. I walked up and down the covered street looking for a souvenir to mark my presence in Himeji when I spotted this fabric bag with what was surely the town's castle on it, which is a very unique local pronunciation.
Osaka Oshiro.
But I like this bag. It's very cute. It's very it's on point. Yeah, the castle with the cherry blossom. Spot on.